Hello everyone, welcome back to my salad series. Today I am back with one more interesting salad, which is black chickpea salad, which is really high in protein. You must try this and tell me how did it turn out for you. Okay? Chalo, let's begin. So let's begin the preparation by soaking chickpeas overnight. You can also soak it for 5 to 6 hours, it's up to you. Then in the morning we'll take in the pressure cooker and we have to wait for 5 to 6 whistles. Just add 2 cups of water and some salt to the taste. Now close the lid and wait for the whistles. Here I am waiting for 5 to 6 whistles. Our chana is boiled really well, so we'll strain it out and let's see if it's cooked properly or not. Yes, it is. To this I'm going to add the black chickpea, some onions, some chopped tomato, chopped cucumber, chopped lettuce, some pepper powder, also some jeera powder. Just squeeze lemon on the top, some more lemon juice, some green chilies. Just give it a nice and gentle mix. You can also make this as an evening snack and enjoy the snack in a very healthy way. I'm just adding some grated carrot and grated coconut. It's completely optional. And yeah, so our black chickpea salad is now ready. You must give it a try and you'll never ever stop eating this. Chalo, hope you enjoy this video. Take care. Bye bye.